Hi, my name's Darren Buxton. I'm one of the advisors on Oxford Innovation's Made Smarter programme, who run the Made Smarter in the East Midlands. Our role is work with organisations to really understand what their digital goals are, and also work with them to identify what steps they'll need to take to identify those goals, and also work again with the challenges they're facing and how we might be able to overcome those challenges with the digital technology that we have to hand. I'd highly recommend manufacturers getting involved in the Made Smarter programme. There's huge opportunity in this programme to actually look at the efficiencies and the productivity within the business, and also through the programme get support to actually make those changes to the business and actually realise some of the opportunities and the gains and the growth that can be achieved through the Made Smarter programme. I think a lot of the benefits from doing the roadmaps really is that a business is able to get at low cost expertise and advice and guidance, building their own confidence around the digital world and the tools that are there, so they can actually start taking advantage of those opportunities within their business.